In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your shipping address on eBay after you've placed an order. Now, this is a situation that many of us might encounter, especially if you accidentally entered the wrong address or need the item to go somewhere else. While this might seem a little tricky at first, I'm here to guide you through the process as clearly and smoothly as possible. First off, you'll want to head over to the eBay website by opening your browser and going to ebay.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice there's a lot of information, but don't worry, I'll break it down step by step. Your next move is to locate the Help and Contact button. It's generally found at the top of the page. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options that can point you in the right direction for customer support and questions. Once you've clicked on Help and Contact, you should see a page that categorizes all sorts of things you might need help with. Here, you're going to want to select Shipping and Tracking. This section is particularly relevant because it houses all the information related to the movement of goods and packages on eBay. As you click on that, you'll be provided with several articles and resources. Your task now is to scroll through these articles. Don't worry about feeling overwhelmed. There's an easy way to find exactly what you need. Look for the article titled Changing Your Shipping Details After Purchasee. You might have to use the side arrow icon to browse through the list. Find and click on this article as it's going to be your main source of guidance for such situations. Now comes a critical part of our conversation where we need to manage expectations. According to eBay's current policies, the sellers generally cannot modify the shipping address post-checkout. So if their seller has already dispatched their item, unfortunately changing the address might not be feasible. However, if they haven't yet sent out the product, there's a potential solution you can explore. Your best course of action is to reach out directly to the seller and request to cancel the transaction. Once cancelled, you can then proceed with repurchasing the item. This time, make sure to enter the correct shipping address during checkout. Keep in mind that communication is key, and a polite, clear request can go a long way. Sellers usually appreciate transparency and are often willing to help rectify genuine mistakes whenever feasible. The ability to cancel and reorder depends on the seller's discretion and the status of the shipment, so be prompt in contacting them and checking on the item's status to improve your chances of success. And that wraps up our tutorial today on changing your shipping address after placing an order on eBay. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you resolve any issues you might encounter in your online shopping adventures.